Backing onto a ravine setting within a sought-after and family-minded neighbourhood of Clarington's Bowmanville community, welcome to 40 Woolacott Lane. An exceptional 5+2 bedroom home with 5 washrooms and a beautiful backyard oasis. Enhancing the privacy of this property is a vacant lot maintained by the municipality on the south side, as does the seasonally lush tree line of the ravine to the west. Showcasing a stone front facade and new exterior pot lights, a garden bed lines the stamped concrete walkway and steps to an arched portico updated with new entry doors, which open into a main level showcasing 9-foot ceilings and upgraded light fixtures, hardwood and ceramic tiled flooring, as well as a tasteful decor that accentuates the aura of modern elegance felt throughout this entire level. Off the main hallway and across from each other are the formal entertaining spaces of the dining and living rooms, both which have California shutters on the respective south and north facing windows, as well as octagonal-shaped coffered ceilings. The living room also well suited as a home office, having a set of French doors if and when privacy is desired. Enjoying exceptional views of the adjacent ravine through a huge west-facing window, the family room is a warm and inviting space centered around the coziness of a gas fireplace. And being fully open to the kitchen and its breakfast area, entertaining in these 3 spaces easily spills to the outdoors during the warm weather months. Providing a separation of space between the kitchen and family room is a half wall with a decor column. And extending from this wall is a peninsula with seating and a stainless steel double sink. The earthen tones of the stone counters pair beautifully with the cream-colored cabinetry, which is complemented with a walk-in corner pantry. The kitchen also showcasing a servery counter with a microwave shelf and stainless steel appliances including a built-in dishwasher, oven with induction cooktop, and a French door fridge. Light spills into the breakfast area through north and south facing windows, plus a west facing sliding door walkout with a transom that opens to the backyard oasis. Showcasing a raised deck with a storage area below it, the deck has wood and metal railings plus a privacy wall on its north side and overlooks not only the lushness of the ravine but the low maintenance poolside entertaining space of the backyard. Finished with wood fencing on the north and south sides for privacy, ornamental fencing on the west side allows for an unobstructed view of the ravine. And surrounding the heated in-ground saltwater pool and finishing the backyard in its entirety is a stone interlocking patio that easily accommodates conversation, dining, and relaxation areas. The main level additionally features a bright and very welcoming reception area that has a double coat closet, a powder room with a modern vanity and a California shutter on its south-facing window, as well as a hallway wall display niche. While to the upper level is an oak hardwood staircase with wrought iron pickets, this level showcasing hardwood flooring and upgraded light fixtures throughout, a laundry room with a washer, dryer, and ceramic flooring, as well as 5 spacious and naturally bright bedrooms, all which have private or semi-private access to ensuite washrooms. The 4th bedroom features California shutters on its east-facing arched window, which has a curved, raised ceiling above it, a double closet, and shared access with the 5th bedroom to a 4-piece Jack and Jill washroom that has a tiled floor, a water closet with a tiled bath and shower area, as well as a vanity updated with a quartz counter. The 5th bedroom itself showcasing a walk-in closet, a ceiling fan, and a curved raised ceiling above a new set of east-facing doors with an arched transom which open to a Juliet balcony. The third bedroom has a ceiling fan, a double closet, and a south-facing window. Shares with the second bedroom a 4-piece Jack and Jill washroom that has a vanity updated with a quartz counter, a tiled floor, as well as a water closet with a tiled bath and shower area, both Jack and Jill washrooms also having windows with California shutters. While the very spacious second bedroom features a double closet and has an oversized west-facing arched window that offers gorgeous views of the ravine beyond the backyard. A beautiful personal retreat with a warm and relaxing aura, the generously sized master suite enjoys ravine views through windows with north, south, and west-facing exposures, surrounding the space that is ideal as a sitting area. In addition to a ceiling fan, a walk-in closet, a double closet with mirrored doors, and California shutters on all its windows, this serene haven has a spa-like ensuite washroom showcasing tiled finishes throughout, a corner tub, vanities updated with quartz counters, and a separate shower area with a glass door. The upper staircase's mid-landing can accommodate a cozy reading area brightened by a modern farmhouse light fixture, or with the light spilling through a north-facing window with a California shutter. And hardwood steps adjacent to this staircase lead to a sunken landing that has a double coat closet, access to the double-car garage, as well as the staircase to the lower level. Fully finished, this level features laminate flooring throughout, beautiful modern crystal light fixtures along the hallway space and in one of the 2 bedrooms, as well as pot lighting brightening a nicely sized recreation area. In addition to ample storage, this level also features a washroom with a glass shower finished with upgraded wall tiles and a pot light, a vanity with countertop basin, and tiled flooring. The first bedroom has a ceiling fan, a wall-to-wall closet with mirrored sliding doors, and 2 oversized above-grade windows, while the second bedroom also has above-grade windows, one which is oversized, and a very spacious double closet. An impressive family home with a gorgeous backyard retreat and a forested ravine setting at the rear. Within a short walk are Holy Family Catholic Elementary School, Baxter Park, and public transit. This home also being close to Dr. Ross Tilley Public School, the Clarington Place Shopping Mall, as well as recreational, community, and sports facilities. With the Bowmanville Conservation Area, a hospital, downtown Bowmanville, and access to Highway 401, as well as the 407 via Highway 418, all short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.